Put a half in cabbage. Yeah, it's not eat that. And
요 정도.
slice some cabbage. She is upside down there, and she's cut the cabbage. Okay, that is after cabbage, slice cabbage, and second time slice garlic.
이게 자기 마무리 좀
Chop, chop, chop.
찹찹찹. small.
Yes. More is good. Okay, now chop, 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 and onion. Onion, you don't need a slice so small piece and big like that. It's good. Yes. Good job. Okay, now it's getting salad. We make a sauce.
fishy sauce
Fishy sauce.
in the garlic.
Look it up.
이거 여기 fishy sauce, fishy 냄새를 없앤다고 말아.
Yeah, if you put in fish sauce like that right now, the garlic is killed. It's fishy smell. And onion, 500g.
이거 근데 깨끗하게 해.
Okay. This is your ginger. Garlic, fishy sauce, onion, and ginger. So good.
Getting out fishy smell.
Yeah, no smell. This tasty. Delicious.
Okay.
That is the important part. Yes.
And then
Okay. Stay in maybe 15-20 minutes.
고춧가루.
Okay, what's next? Spice pepper, the rough one. This is a better taste.
그래서 전에 먹기 좋게 열어봐.
This is they say soft. The color. This is gonna come in with a color. Spice pepper.
쪼물럭쪼물럭 하는 게 중요하다고 말아. 쪼물럭.
I don't know English. No 쩌물럭.
Yeah, 쪼물럭 very important. This is very important.
Yes.
Not too much strong, just
Yes.
soft like this.
Soft and beautiful and pretty. Yes. Stay on it. Okay.
This is
Stay on it in general. Yes. The better taste always.
Mulberry green onion. Mulberry green onion here.
Oh yeah, you can put in the fresh green onion and golden fresh green onion.
Okay.
Okay. Brown sugar a little bit. It's not for the cabbage, kimchi, and sweet because we need to kill the fishy sauce with the that taste. Better, no better. Okay, and 주물럭. Korean 주물럭.
Jumla like this.
Yes.
Korean jumla. I don't know English jumla. What how say?
Not like this.
This.
Yeah. Yes, soft and gentle.
Like this.
Ah, looks good.
This. Jumla.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now put a little bit salt and good flavor and Korean and salt. Yes. I think it's good.
그래서 이건 넣어야 되는데. Tumulog very important.
Yes.
Tumulog.
Tumulog, yes. Same thing like the sauce. 좀 따육수 식초.
식초는 마지막에 저거 다 버무린다.
See, is after salt and wait 5 minutes. They wait the moisture and put in sauce. Okay, tumulog. January. Looks there, looks good. That's it. Right?
And
Oh, okay. Tumulog.
and then
And
cucumber.
go to
Does it
the
cucumber?
Germany strong and vinegar.
Vinegar.
How salt is you want? It's very strong.
Okay, good.
Tumulog.
And
That's
then-
it.
and
This
then
is the
finish
end.
it.
Yeah.